Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. In our previous video we talked about the mā wai sentence structure, who will, and nā wai, who did, which are the same apart from the m and the n, the m and the n. So sometimes we don't know the Māori word for something, and if we don't know the Māori word for pine cones, but we want to say who collected these things instead of pine cones, we can say nā wai, so that's because it's the past tense, have already been collected. Nā wai, e nei mea, these things, e kohi kohi. Nā wai e nei mea, e kohi kohi. Who collected these things? And then if we want to count them, we can do that as well. So let's start at the left. Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau. And then after 10 we just say mā and then start again. Tekau mā tahi, tekau mā rua, tekau mā toru. Tekau mā toru ngā mea. 13 things, because we don't know the word for pine cones. Ka kite.